Welcome to the wonders of nature. Have you ever wondered how plants turn sunlight into the energy that fuels life on Earth? Today, we're diving into the magical world of photosynthesis, nature's very own powerhouse. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants, algae, and some bacteria convert sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into oxygen and glucose. It's like a natural solar panel, but way cooler. Here's the magic formula. 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus light energy C6H2O6 plus 6O2. Simple, right? But there's so much more to it. Let's start with the light reactions. These occur in the thylakoid membranes of the chloroplasts. When sunlight hits the chlorophyll, it excites electrons, creating energy-rich molecules like ADP and NADPH. Think of it as charging a battery. This energy will be used in the next stage to create something truly amazing. Next up is the Calvin cycle, also known as the dark reactions. Here, the energy from ADP and NADPH is used to convert carbon dioxide into glucose. This glucose is what fuels the plant and, ultimately, all life on Earth. It's like a factory assembly line, turning raw materials into a finished product, sweet glucose. Photosynthesis doesn't just keep plants alive, it powers entire ecosystems. The oxygen produced is essential for all aerobic life, including us. Plus, it helps regulate the Earth's atmosphere and climate. Without photosynthesis, life as we know it wouldn't exist. It's the unsung hero of our planet. Did you know that the Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen? Or that some plants can perform photosynthesis underwater? Photosynthesis is full of surprises and fascinating facts. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the wonders of photosynthesis. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Stay curious, stay green, and see you next time.